All right, so now that we created our descriptions with our keyword in here, I'm going to show you how we can make multiple descriptions using all these keywords efficiently. So first things first, you just want to drag all these down. Oop. All right. So now that all these descriptions are dragged down, that's great. And you can still see your ad groups here. So now what you want to do, now that you see this, you can easily take out this coder kid keyword and place in coding computers for kids. This is a pretty long keyword, but that's why we have so much description room here. So we'll just copy these and drag over and do Control H and look for coder kid and replace with coding computers for kids. Essentially replace all and click done. And now we're going to QA this and make sure it makes sense for this specific here. So transform your coding computer kids love for technology into a learning adventure. That makes sense, more or less. Guided by our team, Code Ninjas coding empowers coding computer for kids skills. That makes sense. So guided by our team, Code Ninja Camps empowers coding computers for kids skills. Yeah, that makes sense. Guided by our team guided by our team, Code Ninjas Camps empowers coding computers for kids skills. Yeah. So you kind of just want to pop in here and kind of read it back and say, does that make sense? So coding computers for kids, gain new skills. Year round, year round and summer camp, coding computer for kids programs. Yeah. So essentially that's what you go through and you go through each ad group and you drag down to make sure that it matches up and just go through that process multiple different times. And that's how you create the ad groups descriptions.